Okay, so I was making this beat. Uh. You probably saw the video. It's probably up here somewhere. But you ever had that moment when you accidentally hit like a note on your keyboard and it started playing something really fire? That's what I did accidentally. So I kind of want to sample that. Hey, bro. Oh my days! Nah. That's hard. Let's just do like this. Hit on record and then hit the note. Eh. Okay. Now I cannot mess this up. So drag that in there. Boom. What we do is turn that up. It's actually this part that I like most. So what I'm going to do is copy that over, or maybe like this. And then drag it up 5 semitones. Okay. I see what we're doing. It's like dun, dun, dun. But we need to pitch it. Hey! Yo! Hey! Oh my days! Yo! Hey! Alright, we need some chords. And I got 4 minutes to add chords. Fire! Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. This was the quickest cook-up ever, but hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Also, make sure to go check out the other video. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.